Honestly, this channel was never meant to be just about teaching people how to draw. If you're looking for professional art tutorials, I'm sure you'll find many creators who are better than me. But that's not why I started this channel. I wanted to create a quiet little place, a place you can visit whenever life feels too loud, whenever your mind feels heavy, or whenever you simply need a few peaceful minutes. Just sit here with me and watch a pencil move across a blank page. No pressure, no rush, just a few quiet moments. Sometimes, watching a pencil move feels strangely peaceful. With every line, the noise inside our minds becomes a little quieter. For me, drawing isn't just about making art. It's about slowing down and finding peace. This drawing didn't start from a reference photo. It started with a feeling that stayed in my mind today and slowly found its way onto this paper. Maybe the first thing you notice is the tears, but while I was drawing them, I wasn't thinking about sadness. I was thinking about hope, about the people who keep moving forward, even with tears in their eyes. Because the truth is, life is hard for everyone. We just don't carry the same struggles. Everyone has a story and a battle no one else can see. Maybe you're one of those people too. If you are, I just want to remind you of one thing. Tears are not the end of the story. Sometimes they're the beginning of healing. As long as your heart can still feel, there is still hope. Hope isn't always something big. Sometimes it's simply making it through today, standing up again, even when you're tired, taking one more step, choosing to keep going. Drawing has taught me something. No artwork is finished with the very first line. It begins with one stroke, then another, then a few shadows, and slowly, a picture comes to life. Life works the same way. You don't have to see the whole journey. You don't have to know how everything will end. Just take the next step. Draw the next line. The rest of the picture will reveal itself in time. If you've stayed with me until this moment, thank you. Not just for watching this drawing until the end, but for sharing these quiet moments with me. Thank you for being here from the very first second, when this was nothing more than a blank sheet of paper, until now, when it's filled with lines, shadows, and emotions. Maybe what appeared on this page is only a drawing, but what we shared was something more. A few moments of peace, a chance to slow down. And to me, that means more than the drawing itself. I hope that every time you visit this channel, you won't come here only to watch someone draw. I hope this becomes a place where you can simply rest, a quiet little corner of the internet, a place you can return to whenever life feels overwhelming. Take a deep breath, watch the pencil move, and let your heart become a little quieter. If you're leaving this video with a smile, that makes me happy. If you're leaving with a little more hope, that makes me even happier. And if, for just a few minutes, I helped you feel a little less alone, then this channel is doing exactly what I dreamed it would do. Thank you for staying with me from the very first blank page to the very last line of this drawing. Until next time, be kind to yourself. Give yourself permission to slow down. And never forget, every beautiful drawing starts with a completely blank page. Maybe life is the same. It doesn't matter how many mistakes you've made, how many times you've erased something, or how many times you've had to start over. What matters is that you're still holding the pencil, which means you still have the chance. To finish your own masterpiece, take care of yourself. And thank you for being part of this quiet little journey with me. See you in the next video.